Unity Systems Solutions makes hard work look easy. Combining durability with power and performance, the ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 laptop lets you get things done anywhere. Powered by up to 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processors with up to 24 GB of memory, it can zip through the heaviest of workloads. It also has the option of Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, giving you faster internet access wherever you are. 100% portable, 100% practical. With an extra durable aluminum top cover and weighing from only 1.78 kilograms, 3.92 pounds, the ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 can accompany you everywhere. Plus, with dual mics and environmental noise cancelling technology, every virtual meeting is enhanced. Ready for the boardroom or the beach? Choose from several 15.6 inches displays, including an FHD 1920x1080 Antiglare with wide-angle viewing, 300 nits of brightness, and a huge color range. Simple to use, yet so secure. With the ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 laptop, you can choose to log in with just your smile or fingerprint quickly and securely. Simply look at the optional FHD hybrid IR camera or tap the optional fingerprint reader on the power on button, and you're in. What's more, there's the discrete trusted platform module, DTPM 2.0, a secure chip to encrypt your passwords and other sensitive data. Designed for everyday life, we use the US Department of Defense's MIL STD 810H standards to create a balance of reliability and durability for every ThinkPad. Tested against 12 stringent standards and more than 200 quality checks, the ThinkPad E15 Gen 4 business laptop will run in even the harshest of conditions, from the Arctic wilderness to desert dust storms.